Hi folks, Marcy Alstrom here, Recruitment and Admissions Manager at Grays Harbor College. I'm excited to be with you today to share updates about Grays Harbor College for the 2021-2022 school year. Let's get started. A few things we'll be covering today are updates regarding Grays Harbor College's response to COVID-19. This includes strategies for safeguarding against COVID, changes to our course modalities, and how to access important college resources. We'll take a look at a new construction project starting on our Aberdeen campus in fall quarter and review how to access information and events for the upcoming year. Finally, we'll cover the ways that GHC is prepared to support you, our local high schools, and students in the upcoming year. GHC has been working hard for the past year and a half to ensure that our campus remains accessible and safe for everyone. Our COVID-19 website remains the best place to stay up to date on campus changes, updates, and resources. For the 2021-2022 year, GHC will be a fully vaccinated campus, which means that the college is requiring all staff and students to get vaccinated against COVID-19 or have an eligible exemption. Additionally, the college will continue to uphold a campus-wide mask mandate this fall, regardless of vaccination status. Also listed on GHC's COVID-19 site is an update regarding fall quarter course offerings. We look forward to offering a variety of classes this fall, including in-person, online, and hybrid. In-person student support services are being offered now as well with the opening of the Hillier Union Building or the Hub. Many of our student support offices like the Welcome Center, Financial Aid, Testing Center, and more remain available online as well as in person. So go ahead and Zoom, call, email, or visit campus to get connected to helpful staff. So let's go ahead and take a second to review how to access those resources online. You're going to start by going to GHC's website, ghc.edu, and right here at the top you'll see a blue banner, Get Ready for Fall Quarter. This will bring you directly to Grays Harbor College's COVID-19 response page. Here you can see we have updates, resources, and information. As you scroll down, you can see some helpful information about the upcoming year. As you go further down the page, you can see information about our vaccine incentive program, resources for current students, and off to the right here, additional resources for the community. Back up at the top of the page, you'll see additional links to our frequently asked questions page regarding COVID-19, resources and information regarding what you'll need to know as you visit campus for the upcoming year, and also a link to our virtual assistance lobbies. GHC is excited to announce that we'll begin breaking ground on a new construction project in fall 2021. The new building will be a replacement to the beloved but outdated Hillier Union Building or the Hub. The new building will be a centerpiece of Aberdeen's upper campus, placed in the now open field between the Shermer Instructional Building and the 800 Building. The whole project will likely take a few years, and we're excited to begin this important project. Please be mindful of any directional signage or alternative walkways as you visit campus this year. GHC will be hosting a number of in-person and online events this year, including information sessions, application parties, and financial aid workshops. Visit GHC's Facebook page or campus calendar for a full list of upcoming events. All events posted online are free and open to the public. We look forward to partnering with schools to schedule individual events for your students or having students drop in to pre-scheduled events. Last year, GHC launched our first ever esports program, and it was a huge success. Join the GHC Esports Discord server to learn more about this amazing program, get connected with staff, and get involved. Esports is organized, competitive online video gaming, and this new program is committed to providing students with an opportunity to engage in leadership opportunities, learn new skills, and build a culture of accessible, non-toxic, good sporting behavior in the esports community. Running Start students are eligible to join. GHC is committed to supporting our local schools, especially as it relates to college and career readiness. Sign up to receive emails which include updates from Grace Harbor College, as well as links to local, regional, statewide, and federal college and career readiness resources. Whether you need electronic or physical flyers for students and families, GHC has you covered. We recently updated our table of offerings, high school to college transition checklists, and more. Many of our materials are also available in both English and Spanish. Visit ghc.edu/getstarted to download materials or contact admissions@ghc.edu to have materials delivered to your school. Don't forget to like and follow GHC's social media pages. It's a great way to help share this important information with friends, colleagues, and our communities. Wishing you all a great start to this year. I look forward to working with you, and thanks for watching.